So, welcome everyone. Today we have Dji Osmo Action 4 for unboxing and checking what is inside if you are getting one in 2025. So, DJI Osmo Action 4 Essential Combo 2025, even though there is a newer model Action 5, that is the latest. So this is one model before. So, and probably soon as well they are releasing 360 another. So in this video we will be unboxing Essential Combo to see if it's still worth to get it in 2025 for the drone, for action, as an action cameras. There is a lot of options, but these ones at the moment as well have a discount, so I decided to try one and see how it works. So let's open it. So we need to open as usual DJI thing. Let's see, can we open it? Here we go. So what is in a box? In a box, in the small, you are getting actual action camera. Okay, you are getting a box with sort of, let's turn it like this, accessories. What is inside? That is for, and QR scanning card. So the all information is this. So basically this is what your, the box. Is there something else? Nope, there is nothing. So box can go on the side. So this is what you are getting in the essential kit. So the community or whatsoever card, we don't need it, so we already know. So let's open the action camera. I'm not sure if they are charged or no, so this one we don't need. So this is this one, we remove it. Here we go. You can see me. So you can see myself. You can see myself. So this is actual camera. So let's see what accessories you get in essential combo. There is 3 different combos. There is standard, essential, and adventure or something like that. So as it looks like, nothing special. So box. So some manuals as usual, DJI with the stickers and the small book which no one ever is reading. So let's see what stickers. Oh my, can't open it. These are stickers. Here we go. So you have DJI. They have standard stickers for every single product. It's not nice. I was thinking maybe they will put something different for specific product, but they are putting exactly the same shit inside. Sorry, my bad. So you have Type C cable for charging and transferring the data, or you can just read straight from the SD card. Let's see, there is I think there is the case. You open the case. Oh man, they stuck everything inside. So all plastics we don't need, we put them on the side. I'm really sorry about the a little bit shaky video, but what to do? Deal with it. So this is the bracket. Okay, there you can remove something. It's a button. Plastics everywhere. So here we go. Then you have some mount. This one is the magnetic one. Okay, yep, This is magnetic. This is magnetic one. Oh, it's quite strong even without the clips. Okay, so that one is secure. And I think you can put it on the side as well. No? On the side you have, if you have this in the in a frame, then you can, like this, just a camera, you can put it just under. You can't put it on the side. But if you stick it in this one, somehow like that, here we go. You close it. So now you can, you can stick it from down like this, and plus you can do it as well. It's somehow a little bit fishy. Here we go. And you can do vertical shooting as well. So let's see if we can switch it on. It's not switching on. It's not charged probably. Oh, DJI, why you are sending the things which we can't test straight away out? So anyway, you get the frame, and if you want to get out, it's a little more tricky than to get it in. You just push it out. Not so bad, not so bad. DJI, make it easier things. So this is bracket. This is, let's try to switch it on. Nope. So maybe I need the, oh my stupid me, I need the battery. So as well, there is a mount which you can attach to some base or whatsoever. So it will be this sticker we don't need. I need the stickers. The stickers I will put it on the side. So these ones here, and then there is, what is that? Oh, I think, I'm not 100% sure what exactly is this, to put them somewhere. Anyway, and then there is additional lens cover if you will break it or whatsoever. And here is the battery. In this combo you have only one battery with camera, and if you take the there is something, probably you need to pull it out. I have no idea. No, you don't need to pull it out, stupid me. So let's see. Here you just press it and open it, and as you see, there is, I'll tell you that there is SD card slot, and the battery goes in there. So battery should be going like this. You just close it and you power it on. Here we go. Ta-da! So English. Of course English. Oh, I need to activate it. So we finished setting up. That's me filming. And this is how is DJI Osmo Action 4.